We got a Florida storm blowing in. It feels good. What's the temperature out here? It's like 84 degrees. Oh, but it's wet. I feel like I need to get in the swimming pool. Babe, jump in. Do it.
I'm good.
He actually thought about it for a second though. Whew, we needed the rain, so this is good. See what Dave's up to this morning.
Morning.
Hi. What's your plan?
My plan is to try to throw the cast net. I don't know if it's, I've seen minnows in here before. I don't really want to go to the bait store. I want to go catch some fish off the dock. And there's mangrove snappers out there, and I read where they're one thing that's almost irresistible to them is mud minnows. So Brian has this cast net, and it's a 3/8 inch net, which should work for decent sized minnows, but all I'm seeing is some really tiny minnows out here. But watching YouTube videos, so I'm pretty much a cast net expert.
Cast net expert.
Yeah. I went to a 4-year college
YouTube
yesterday
tutorial.
for an hour.
It's pretty muddy, so I'd say mud minnows are probably in there. Let's see what you got.
So the videos I watched were how to throw an 8-foot net. This is I think a 5-foot net.
I've seen people do this, and it looks like quite the skill.
This is called a horn.
Okay.
This would be the rope.
That's the rope. Are you now giving a tutorial?
No, this is not a tutorial. This is not a how-to. There are plenty of how-to videos out there.
This is the how you do.
This is just watch Dave make a fool of himself.
Well, it's in.
It wasn't a full spread, but it wasn't bad, huh?
Oh, I see a leaf. That's what you do?
You mean that's it? That's all you got?
I get it. It's good.
It wasn't bad though.
No, it's good.
Yeah, so you make coils. First put on your wrist.
Yeah.
You make the coils. Bring the horn up. Make sure it's not twisted. And with the 8-foot, they brought it down like a foot. I'm just gonna go a little less than that. And then you make sure there's no tangles. And then bring it down and loop about like that much. And then the key is to grab this half and lay that over that. And that creates two heights. You've got this half short, this half long. You bring this piece, hook it over your thumb, and you grab this, and when you throw it, kind of twist your hand from up to down, and hold on to this about a second longer, and that should spread out a pancake.
Spread the pancake, baby.
You need to move now.
Oh, I gotta move. Sorry, I can't get that close, people. I'm trying to give you a tutorial.
No, this is not a
Oh,
tutorial.
so I forgot. Okay.
And see, I want to really swing it, but I got this rope here, so it's kind of a...
Okay.
That's my excuse. I have an excuse.
I'll back it up here. It looks very professional. And then you just reel it in quick to catch the fish.
Well, I didn't watch that part.
Oh.
I just learned how to throw it.
Okay.
Don't get greedy with their info.
No. Ooh, something jumped over here. They're teasing you.
But Brian says as the water gets warmer here next week or so, there'll be schools of bait fish coming through this area.
Well, guess what? We'll be here in another week or so. So we have some good odds of nailing this. You got a minnow. Oh, whoa! Oh my gosh! What is this? Oh my gosh! Nailed it!
No, it's a... What the heck is that? What the heck is that?
I don't know. It's a snook we figured out. Dave's gonna let him go. Get back in there. It's fishing time. We brought Pistol for good luck. How many minnows did you get? 4, 5?
Yeah, 4 or 5. And then I tried to put one on the hook and I dropped it in the
You
dock.
did?
And it fell through in the water.
No.
It escaped. It was meant to live.
We'll see what you can get. Fish on! Fish on! Pistol, stay.
That's a ladyfish, I think.
A ladyfish? Wow, look at that.
They're not really.
Oh. Back she goes.
Whoa, shit, they fight hard. That's what I caught in a kayak the other day. Got him.
Sorry, I was trying to get my other camera going.
Jack Rebel. Good fighter, right?
Yeah.
Bad eater. Back he goes.
Pretty fish though.
We didn't catch any fish, but we're putting 2 rotisserie chickens in the barbecue
And a spatula.
and a spatula.
Don't ask.
So, yeah, okay, don't ask. I was just gonna ask, but no, don't. Dinner is served.